going? I'm Leah from Leah's Cookbook Ideas. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to make delicious mac and cheese with a sprinkling of bacon. So let's go and I'll show you how I make it. Here I have 240 grams of pasta. You could choose any pasta you like. And I'm just waiting for the water to boil and I'm going to add some salt to it. Okay, the water's boiling and goes the pasta. And a good handful of salt. Salt makes the water boil faster and brings up the temperature. 5 minutes on the clock. When the water is boiling, I'm going to add my pasta and let it cook for 5 minutes. Okay, the pasta is cooked, time to drain, and I'm going to save 1 cup of the water. I'm just leaving the pasta there to sit, and I didn't shake it to get the rest of the water out. I just let all the starch sit there. For my cheese, I have 1 cup of cheddar, half a cup of fresh Parmesan grated, and I have half a cup of fresh mozzarella chopped up. Now it's time to make the cheesy sauce. Okay, I'm going to make a roux now. So I've got 25 grams of butter. I'm going to melt and let it sizzle a bit. And then I'm going to add my 25 grams of flour. And then I'm going to let it brown in the pan for 1 minute. Butter is sizzling, time to add the flour and make a roux. Okay, it's blonde. Now I'm going to add 1/4 of a cup of cream and 1/4 of a cup of milk. And if it's getting thicker, you add the rest of the milk and cream. Pouring the rest of the cream and milk in and giving it a whisk.
Delicious.
Now I'm adding a pinch of salt, a pinch of nutmeg, a pinch of cayenne pepper, and some normal pepper. And it goes, and I'm going to give it a whisk. I also added a little bit of the water from the pasta, just to make it a little bit thinner. Okay. Now I'm just going to add the cheese to the sauce, and then I'm going to add it to the pasta that I've got here. My pasta, my macaroni and my curly pasta. Leave some for the top. Okay, you can come closer to have a look at the... Okay, you can just stop for a second. Now I'm adding the cheese sauce to the pasta. I'm going to give it a mix and then put it in my dish. And then I'm going to sprinkle some bacon and cheese and breadcrumbs on top. Look how cheesy that looks. Oh, yum. Oh. Now for the toppings, I have my bacon that I've got freshly cut. You can cook it if you want. And I've got some cheese and some panko breadcrumbs for the topping. Add the rest of the cheese from the board. Don't want to waste, get every little bit. Spread it all around. Now for the breadcrumbs on top. And in the oven on 180 for 25 minutes. Check out that sizzle. Oh, how good does this look? Why don't you guys give it a go? Try out my mac and cheese spiral pasta. Yum-o. Look how good that looks. Oh, yum-o. So how easy was that, guys? That mac and cheese was delicious. So why don't you guys give it a go? Give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time for another fun video. Cheers, guys.